by addition of halogen acid to alkene. Here halogen acid means what? Halogen acid is HX. Halogen is X and acid which gives H plus, means it is H positive, and halogen is X negative. This both get neutralized and thus it forms the HX, means halogen acid. Instead of this, if we take the real example, that is HI, HBr and HCl. These are halogen acids. The order of reactivity of halogen acid is HI is highly reactive than HBr, and HBr is highly reactive than HCl. Means the order of reactivity of halogen acid is this one. That's why we take here HBr, which is not less reactive, not highly reactive. Okay. Then alkene. Alkene is of two types. That is symmetrical alkene. Symmetrical alkene and unsymmetrical alkene. For example, if we take the example of symmetrical alkene, that is CH3 CH double bond CH3. Here it is symmetrical alkene. Why? Equal number of carbon atoms are present across the double bond. Here 2 carbon atom and this side also 2 carbon atom across this double bond. That's why it is symmetrical alkene. If we take another alkene, that is unsymmetrical alkene, second type of alkene is unsymmetrical alkene. That is CH3 single bond, CH double bond, CH2. It is propene. It is but 2 in. Okay. It is propene. Propene, if we see, it is unsymmetrical alkene. Why? Here double bond is here and 1 carbon atom on this side and 2 carbon atom on another side, means what it indicates? Unequal carbon atoms across the double bond. That's why it is unsymmetrical alkene. Okay. Now we understand alkene is of two types, that is symmetrical alkene and unsymmetrical alkene. If equal number of carbon atoms across the double bond, then it is symmetrical alkene. Unequal number of carbon atom across the double bond, it is unsymmetrical alkene. Okay. Now in this we use the alkene, but which alkene? Unsymmetrical alkene. And which halogen acid? That is HBr. In Markovnikov's rule, we use the unsymmetrical alkene. That is CH3 CH double bond CH2. It is propene. La prop 1 in is also, we can say. Then it is propene, means what? Alkene we have taken, that is unsymmetrical alkene, propene, and halogen acid is HBr, that is hydrogen bromide. हाइड्रोजन ब्रोमाइड. अभी क्या हुआ है, यहाँ ये HBr है, ये हमें मालूम है कि ये ब्रेक होता है H पॉजिटिव में और Br नेगेटिव में. इसको हम जनरल नाम देंगे, दैट इज हैलोजन एसिड. Halogen acid. And propene is unsymmetrical alkene, that we know very well. Now under Markovnikov's rule, what? This rule states that when unsymmetrical alkene is added to halogen acid, then this negative part of this halogen acid will add on which carries what will add on carbon carbon double bond of that carbon atom which carries less number of hydrogen atom. और प्रोपीन में क्या नजर आ रहा है हमें, जो अनसिमेट्रिकल अल्कीन है उसमें नजर आ रहा है कि दो कार्बन एटम है, डबल बॉन्ड के इधर दो कार्बन एटम है, पर इस कार्बन एटम में दो हाइड्रोजन एटम है और इस कार्बन एटम में एक हाइड्रोजन एटम प्रेजेंट है। तो किसमें कम हाइड्रोजन एटम प्रेजेंट है, इसमें। तो इसमें क्या ऐड होगा, ये Br मतलब हैलोजन एसिड का ये नेगेटिव पार्ट इस कार्बन एटम में ऐड होगा और जो बचा हुआ पॉजिटिव पार्ट है उसके अनदर कार्बन एटम में ऐड होगा। तो what will be the product here? CH3 will remain as it is. Again CH. This double bond becomes the single bond and this is CH2. दोनों कार्बन एटम्स जो डबल बॉन्ड के हैं किसमें लेस नंबर ऑफ हाइड्रोजन एटम है, इसमें। तो इसमें क्या ऐड होगा, Br। तो यहाँ क्या आएगा, Br। तो बचा हुआ जो पॉजिटिव पार्ट है उसका दूसरा, इसका दूसरा कार्बन एटम मतलब ये होगा, इसमें ऐड होगा H। तो हम क्या लेंगे यहाँ, इट बिकम CH3। इट इज आइसो मिडिल कार्बन एटम में Br है, इसलिए हम इसे क्या बोलेंगे, इट इज आइसोप्रोपाइल ब्रोमाइड। आइसोप्रोपाइल ब्रोमाइड। और अगर IUPAC से नेम हमें देखना है तो क्या आएगा, इट इज 2 ब्रोमोप्रोपेन। इज 2 ब्रोमोप्रोपेन। एग्जाम में स्टेट मार्कोनिकोव्स रूल ये पूछा जाता है, तो हमें इसका स्टेटमेंट देना पड़ेगा। स्टेटमेंट कैसा होगा, द स्टेटमेंट इज लाइक दिस, व्हेन unsymmetrical alkene is added, plus is there, that's why we are saying added to halogen acid, then the negative part of halogen acid will add on carbon carbon double bond of that carbon atom which carries lesser number of hydrogen atom, and the positive part will add on another carbon atom. Okay, you understand the statement now. The next rule we are going to study, that is just opposite of Markovnikov rule, that is also called as peroxide effect. Peroxide effect, or we can say AMR. AMR is anti-Markovnikov rule. It is anti-Markovnikov rule. Okay, it is just opposite of this. Here also we take same unsymmetrical alkene, any alkene we can take. Then halogen acid HBr. Again we take here CH3 CH double bond CH2. It is propane. We can say it is propene. Again halogen acid is added, it is HBr, here halogen acid. But one thing remember here, in presence of the peroxide, any peroxide you can take here, since this effect is peroxide. Peroxide you can take benzoyl peroxide, you can take sodium peroxide, that is Na2O2. Instead of this you can take H2O2, that is hydrogen peroxide. Means you can take any peroxide, benzoyl peroxide. Instead of this peroxide word you can take benzoyl peroxide, sodium peroxide or hydrogen peroxide. Then same thing but just opposite of this Markovnikov, here अनसिमेट्रिकल अल्कीन में ऐड किया जाता है हेलोजन एसिड, तब ये जो नेगेटिव पार्ट है किसका, हेलोजन एसिड का, वो उस कार्बन कार्बन डबल बॉन्ड के उस कार्बन एटम में जाके जुड़ता है, ऐड होता है, जिसमें मोर नंबर ऑफ हाइड्रोजन एटम्स आर प्रेजेंट। इट इज जस्ट अपोजिट ऑफ मार्कोनिकोव। ये कहाँ ऐड होता है, जहाँ लेस नंबर ऑफ हाइड्रोजन एटम होते हैं और यहाँ कब ऐड होता है, जब मोर नंबर ऑफ हाइड्रोजन एटम प्रेजेंट होते हैं। तो इन कार्बन कार्बन डबल बॉन्ड में यहाँ पर 2 हाइड्रोजन एटम्स है एंड हियर 1 हाइड्रोजन एटम्स, दैट्स व्हाई द नेगेटिव पार्ट विल ऐड ऑन दिस कार्बन एटम and remaining part, that is H, will add on another carbon atom. Now it is CH3, CH, this double bond becomes single bond, it is CH2. Now the negative part will add on this carbon atom, it becomes Br, and the positive part add on another carbon atom, it is CH2. Okay, now name this compound, it is N-propyl bromide. It is N-propyl bromide, or we can say it is 1-bromopropane. 1-bromopropane, it is the IUPAC name of this compound. Actually, these are the alkyl halides. Now, but state peroxide effect. If in board exam, if they ask the question, state peroxide effect or AMR, what is the statement? The statement will be like this: when unsymmetrical alkene, is added to halogen acid, then the negative part of halogen acid will add on carbon-carbon double bond of that carbon atom which carries what? More number of hydrogen atom, and the positive part will add on another carbon atom. But again one word will be added here: if unsymmetrical alkene is added to halogen acid in presence of peroxide, any peroxide, for example benzoyl peroxide, sodium peroxide, hydrogen peroxide, then the negative part of halogen acid will add on carbon-carbon double bond of that carbon atom which carries more number of hydrogen atom, and the positive part will add on another carbon atom. And thus two rules we started with a statement with reactions here. I hope you understand very well.